This first panel here, this first cover, that's going to be for your oil filter. The second one underneath here, that's going to be where you find your drain plug. I just use a flathead to turn these. Turn them there. Turn them there. Right there's your oil filter. It's a cartridge housing, so you're going to take it off. You need a 32mm socket for this. Some people like to take it here with the Torx tool, and then you can drain your oil and then pull the thing. But I just pull it once because I'm going to change the filter anyway, so I just take it all off. This is your original BMW filter. I'm going to put a link in the description for the man filter. It's half the price, half the cost. Unfortunately, I have this one to work with today. So they give you a new plug here. Inside here comes O-ring and a new copper washer for your drain plug. They put this, so I always replace it. And then that. So you just want a little pick. Take out your O-ring. Up a little bit. Put your new O-ring on. This here is a T55. Let's go ahead and remove it. Like that. Pop your new one in. Then filter inside like that. Make sure it bites and you hear that click in. You're good to go. So right here is your drain plug, guys. 17 mil. 17mm. Alright, here it comes. And see, that's your old copper washer there. Off your drain plug. So you're gonna put a new one. I'm just gonna let this drain for a bit. And after, I'll button it back up and I'll put back in the new filter. Then we'll pour our oil in and we're done. So the oil's stopped. It's dripping very slow. Catch a couple of threads with your fingers. Alright. Now you want to tighten it down. Always check your Torx spec. I'm just putting the filter back in now, catching a few threads by hand. Yeah. Oil cap, that's where your oil goes. Just pull that out. These are recommended engine oil. Stickers here, right here. OW20. So your engine oil light, your service notification. To remove this, we're gonna do a few small steps to get this message off. So service minus 40 kilometers. Let's hold down our trip. Here we go. And then hold it down again. Yeah, and then hold it down again. Then it's gonna do a reset in progress. Then you're done. Thanks for watching.